Popberry. Fun for you and fun for me.
Welcome to the magical world of Encanto. Meet the Madrigal family, each one special in their own way. Today, we're going on a fun adventure through the ABCs. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's meet the family and learn the alphabet with all their special talents. A is for Alma, the heart of the family. She's the matriarch, holding everyone together with love and strength. B is for Bruno, who sees the future. He might be misunderstood, but his visions are true. C is for Camillo, who can shapeshift. One moment he's this, the next moment he's that.
Camilo, stop pretending you're Dolores so you can have seconds. Where's the shot?
D is for Dolores, who hears everything. She can hear the tiniest sound from miles away. E is for Encanto, the magical place they call home, where every house, every corner is full of wonder. F is for Felix, the family's joy and laughter. They're happiest when they're together. G is for Guapo, the handsome one. That's Mirabel's big brother, Augustin. He's always there with a joke and a smile. H is for Home, the heart of the Madrigal family, where love and magic live together. I is for Isabella, who grows beautiful flowers. Her powers make the world more beautiful. J is for Julieta, the mother with healing food. Her meals can heal your heart and body. K is for Kindness, a gift they all share. The Madrigals always take care of each other. L is for Louisa, the strong one who lifts the world. She's the pillar of the family, with strength to spare. M is for Mirabel, the one who brings everyone together. No magic, but her heart shines the brightest. N is for Nature, which is full of magic. It's alive with the energy of the Encanto. O is for Optimism, always staying positive. No matter what, the Madrigals keep their hopes high. P is for Passion, the fire in each of their hearts. They live for the things they love. Q is for Quiet Capybara, Antonio's calm and peaceful friend. When Antonio needs a moment of stillness, his capybara friend is always there to relax with him. R is for Rats, the little helpers who love Antonio. Antonio's animal friends, including the rats, are always there to lend a hand or a paw. S is for Strength, Louisa's mighty gift. She's the rock that holds everything together. T is for Toucan, flying high in the skies of Encanto, bright and colorful, just like the magic that fills the air. U is for Uncle Bruno, the one with visions of the future. He might be a bit of a mystery, but his heart is as big as his visions. V is for vibes, the energy they spread everywhere. The Madrigals fill the air with love and good vibes. W is for wonder, the magic that surrounds them. There's always something new to discover in Encanto. X is for Felix, the fun and loving uncle. He's always making the family smile with his joy and humor. Y is for you because you're part of the magic too. Come join the Madrigals on this incredible journey. Z is for Zesty Arepas. It is the Julieta's magical healing food. Wow, that was fun learning the ABCs with the magical Madrigals. See you next time.